Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was doing some screen recording with my snipping tool and I encountered this problem. It showed recording stopped, something happened and we have stopped recording. Wait a bit and try again. And I tried to troubleshoot it and finally found a solution. Now I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So let's get started. Okay, before I start, some of you might be on Windows 10 and some of you might be on Windows 11, and I'm currently using Windows 11, but the settings are similar anyway, so you can figure out what to do. Now go to settings. After that, go to system, and here you can see display option and expand that one, and under display look for graphics, expand that one as well. Here you can see add an app option, so under that just click on drop down menu and click on Microsoft Store app and click on browse. After that, from this list, look for snipping tool. Okay, once you find the snipping tool, click on it, and after that you can see here this thing appeared here, so click on options, and after that click on high performance here and click on save. Now go back to your snipping tool, try recording again, it should be working. Let me try now. All right, there you go, you can see it's recording now. All right, now if in case this step didn't solve your problem, then there are a few more steps to troubleshoot. Let me quickly show you. So go to settings, type snipping tool and right click on it. After that you can see app settings, click on that and click on reset app. This will reset all the settings of the application and it should be working fine after that. And once reset is done, you can go back to snipping tool and try again, it should be working. If this step did not work as well, then there's one more option, we need to run some commands on the command prompt. You can just go to cmd, right click on it, run it as administrator, and on this command window type sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter. And this will go through all the files and find out the corrupted file and repair them. Once it find out the file and repair it, just restart the pc and this might solve the issue. Okay, if in case sfc scan now did not work as well for you, there is one more command you can run on your command prompt. For that you need to open your command prompt as administrator again. Once you open the command prompt, on the command window type this command, dsm command, and run this command. Once this is 100% done, just restart your pc and this should be working because this is really powerful command. Thank you so much for watching this video.